Hey, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. It's your boy Rich with Kiss Your Cable Goodbye once again. Hope you like our video. So let's go ahead and I'm going to show you how to hide your cloud apps. See right there, it says Netflix. It has a little cloud on it. Where you go over here to the see all to the left, select it, and you see that has a cloud. That has a cloud, that's a cloud, and all the little clouds in the top right corner. These are apps that we have not installed yet, already come on kind of preloaded on your Fire Stick. I say kind of because it's not actually downloaded. It's just in the cloud, and it's telling you you can just simply go to it and then choose it to download, but then you still have to pay for a subscription and all that. So there's no really need to do all that because you don't need that, because you got all these other apps in here to use. Anyway, let's jump to it. Let's remove all that mess and clean it up. All I'm gonna do is hold down the home button for a few seconds on the remote, past the Mary, and go to the settings. We are into the settings. We'll go down pass and go to applications. We'll enter the applications, go into the App Store, and then you'll see where it says automatic updates on. You always want that. Pass external, pass in-app, manage subscriptions, pass notifications, and keep going, and you see hide cloud apps. Not very hard at all. Go ahead and select it to on. That's it. Now what you're going to do is hit the home button from here. We're going to go back down and go to the left, or you can go all the way to the right. It says see all, same thing. Or you can just hold the home button and choose apps. It's going to take you to the same place. But watch how everything disappears. Boom, saw that? All the clouds disappeared. So now you just have the ones that are installed afterwards. So you got this row of 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27. I forgot to count these. So 8, 29, 30, 31 different apps on here that you can use for your streaming ability. But that's it. You're done. Nothing else to do. Anyway, just wanted to show you guys that it's not something you have to do. It's just something if you want to do, so you can clean up all your mess. Also, real quick, I would suggest moving your stuff. Only because you see where it says, when you go on the front homepage, your apps and your channels, all these are up here in the front. Well, let's say you don't use those all the time. If you find one that you use all the time and you like it, go to the options. On the bottom right, it says 3 lines. Hit the menu button on the remote. You can move it or move the front. Just move the front. Simple as that. Say like you like Xanax a lot and you move it. And you can move it. You want to move it over here or move it to the 3rd one and hit enter again. And say you just like some other ones. You know, Pluto, for example. Let's see. You like Pluto. Okay, that's something you're probably going to be using more often. Let's go into Pluto. And so now you saw Prime was first. Let's go ahead and move that, and we'll put that over here and select enter. Now you go back to the home screen and you'll see, boom, all that, your apps, your channels has been moved to the front. But anyway, all right, ladies and gentlemen, that's it. Have a good one. Hope you like our videos. If you do, share, like, comment below. Tell us how great it was. And if you don't, tell me how shabby it was. All right, guys. Y'all have a great day. Till next time.